red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, black color, black color, green color, green color, blue color, blue color, yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids now C. C for cat, C for car. Kids now D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids neither G. G for goat, G for grapes, and use black color, black color. The alphabets of G. Kids neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids neither I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use green color, green color. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids again use green color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids neither M. M for moon, M for mango, and use blue color, blue color. The alphabets of M. Kids neither N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids neither P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Yellow ochre color. Kids neither Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids neither R. R for rose, R for rice, and use red color, red color. S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids again use red color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids neither U. U for umbrella, U for uncle, and use yellow color, yellow color. V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids neither W. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids neither X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, and use black color, black color. The alphabets of X. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. and again use black color. Kids neither numbers, and first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use green color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2. Kids neither 3, and again use green color. T H R W 3. It's neither 4, the numbers of 4, and use blue color. F O U R 4. 5, the numbers of 5, F I V E 5. It's neither 6, the numbers of 6, S I X 6. It's neither 7, the numbers of 7, S E V E and 7, and again use blue color. It's neither 8, the numbers of 8, and use yellow ochre color. E I T H T 8. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 9, the numbers of 9, N I N E 9. Kids neither 10, the numbers of 10, and again use yellow ochre color. T E and 10, the numbers of 10. Kids today draw A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Green color, black color, blue color, red color, yellow color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers, and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use green color. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use black color. Kids neither C. C for cat, C for car, and use blue color. Kids neither D. D for dog, D for door, and use red color. The alphabets of D. It's neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow color. Kids neither numbers. And first they draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use green color. O N E 1. Kids neither 2. The numbers of 2 and use black color. T W O 2. Kids neither 3. The numbers of 3 and use blue color. T H R W 3. Kids neither 4. The numbers of 4 and use red color. F O U R 4. Kids neither 5. The numbers of 5 and use yellow color. F I V E 5. Kids neither shapes. And first they draw a square. The shape of a square and use green color. Kids neither circle. The shape of circle and use black color. Kids neither triangle. The shape of triangle and use blue color. It's neither heart. The shape of heart and use red color. Kids lastly draw Easter. The shape of Easter and use yellow color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes square, circle, triangle, heart and Easter. Red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use yellow color, the alphabets of B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids neither C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use black color, Kids neither D. D for dog. D for doll. The alphabets of D and use green color. Green color. Kids neither numbers and first they draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. Red color. O N E 1. Kids neither 2. The numbers of 2 and use yellow color. Yellow color. T W O 2. Kids neither 3. The numbers of 3 and use black color. Black color. T H R W 3. Kids neither 4. The numbers of 4 and use green color. Green color. F O U R 4. The numbers of 4. Sorry kids, mistake. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids today draw A, B, C, D numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. A is for apple, A is for ant. B is for ball, B is for bat. C is for cat, C is for car. D is for dog, D is for doll. E is for egg, E is for elephant. F is for fish, F is for fan. G is for God, G is for grapes. H is for hand, H is for helicopter. I is for ice, I is for ice cream. J is for joker, J is for jackfruit. K is for kite, K is for king. L is for lion, L is for lemon. M is for moon, M is for mango. N is for nose, N is for nest. O is for orange, O is for octopus. P is for parrot, P is for penguin. Q is for queen, Q is for quail. R is for rose, R is for rice. S is for sun, S is for snake. T is for teacher, T is for tiger. U is for umbrella, U is for uncle. V is for van, V is for violent. W is for wolf, W is for watch. X is for X-ray, X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yak, Y is for yayo. Z is for zebra, Z is for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.